Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Techxplorers channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today we have something truly special new tech gadgets to share with you. Let's start with PackGo. PackGo is not just any gadget, it's your ultimate entertainment companion. With its distinctive briefcase aesthetic, PackGo stands out from the crowd. It's not just a pretty face either. This powerhouse boasts enduring battery life, a tailor-made Android interface, and a plethora of personalization possibilities. PackGo is committed to providing an unparalleled audio-visual entertainment journey. Imagine having a device that's seamlessly adaptable to both cozy indoor settings and dynamic outdoor adventures. Whether you're relaxing at home, enjoying a movie night, listening to your favorite tunes, diving into interactive gaming, or exploring social media, PackGo has got you covered. One of the coolest features is its distinctive handle design. This briefcase exudes unmistakable character, making it an eye-catching accessory wherever you go. Whether you're heading to an outdoor picnic, a friendly gathering, or taking a trip, PackGo is your perfect travel buddy. When you carry it, you're not just holding a device, you're making a statement about your high-quality lifestyle. And let's talk about the screen. PackGo comes with a 27-inch smart screen featuring adjustable angles. It seamlessly integrates into any environment, adding a splash of vibrancy to every scene. The best part, it's ready to use the moment you open it. No complicated setups, no delays, just instant entertainment at your fingertips. So if you're looking for a device that combines style, functionality, and sheer entertainment power, look no further than PackGo. I'm excited to share with you a piece of technology that's sure to elevate your music experience. The Citron R400 Retro CD Player. Imagine this, it's a relaxing Saturday afternoon. You're sitting by the window, gazing at the beautiful sycamore trees outside. You have no urgent tasks, just pure leisure time. You turn on the Citron R400 Retro CD Player and silky smooth music fills the room. It's pure satisfaction. Let's talk about what makes the Citron CD Player so special. First, the design. Instead of the usual angular shapes, Citron opted for smooth, round arcs. This gentle curvature is not just comfortable to touch, but also pleasing to the eyes. It's compact and portable, designed to be as small as possible without any unnecessary bulk, so you can take it anywhere you want. And the colors. Citron offers a variety of color schemes to match your style and preferences. To ensure the best performance, they use a pioneer movement from Japan, typically found in more expensive CD players. This means you get top-notch sound quality and fluency, plus they've designed a unique transparent protective case to prevent the record from getting stuck, adding a touch of elegance to the player. Whether you want to enjoy music by yourself with headphones or share it with others through a Bluetooth speaker, the Citron R400 has you covered. It's all about creating a fantastic music experience tailored just for you. So if you're looking to upgrade your music setup, give the Citron R400 Retro CD Player a try. It's smooth, stylish, and brings an incredible sound experience wherever you go. We're thrilled to introduce a game changer in the world of tech, the world's first all-in-one color e-ink desktop computer and standalone monitor. Meet the BigMe B251 series. This groundbreaking innovation combines a color e-ink all-in-one desktop computer with a standalone monitor, setting a new standard for your workspace. Let's start with the stunning 25.3-inch color e-ink screen. It's designed to mimic the look and feel of printed paper, bringing a touch of authenticity to your digital experience. The customizable front light ensures that your eyes are comfortable no matter how long you use it. Say goodbye to eye strain and hello to prolonged productivity. The BigMe B251 has you covered with its cutting-edge X-Rapid Refresh technology. Experience fluid and uninterrupted transitions as you navigate through your tasks or enjoy your favorite leisure activities. It's all about seamless performance and keeping up with your pace. Imagine immersing yourself in a vast 25.3 inches canvas that offers vivid, paper-like brilliance. It's more than just a computer. It's your daily companion, enhancing your productivity, comfort, and well-being. At the heart of the BigMe B251 is the BigMe X Rapid chip, delivering refresh rates that defy convention. Scrolling through documents, watching videos, or browsing the web has never been smoother. The snappy, lag-free performance keeps up with your every move, giving you unmatched precision and control. Lighting is key to a comfortable experience, and the Bigme B251 gives you the ability to seamlessly switch between warm and cool lighting. Whether you're reading late at night, unwinding after a long day, or working on an important project, you're in complete control of your visual environment, optimizing it for any situation. So if you're looking to transform your digital experience, the Bigme B251 series is the ultimate choice. It's not just a computer, it's a revolution in how you interact with technology. Now, we're diving into a true desktop revolution, the HiDock H1. This isn't just any docking station, it's packed with groundbreaking features that will redefine your hybrid work experience. First off, let's talk about noise-free calls. HiDock H1 features bidirectional noise cancellation, BNC technology, eliminating noise from both your side and your caller's side. Whether you're on Zoom, Teams, FaceTime, WhatsApp, or even iPhone calls and podcasts, you'll enjoy crystal clear communication. No more distractions, just seamless conversations. But that's not all. HiDock H1 is powered by ChatGPT for AI-driven recording and transcription. Imagine lifetime free transcription and summary services available on various platforms with no download required. It effortlessly identifies speakers with precise voice recognition, letting you tag speaker names for clarity. Plus, with the dedicated voice mark feature, you can highlight important words and the AI will create structured notes for you. HiNotes provides intelligent, well-structured summaries that you can access anytime, anywhere, with rich templates like meeting, call, lecture, memo, and more on the way. Organizing information has never been easier. You'll be able to keep everything in order without breaking a sweat. The HiDock H1 isn't just smart, it's a powerhouse. Equipped with a 7-watt full-range driver, a 5-watt high-pitched tweeter, and a passive vibrator, it delivers strong bass and exceptional sound quality. It's a desktop sound beast that enhances your audio experience for both calls and music. It's a powerful tool designed to make hybrid work more efficient and enjoyable. So if you're ready to revolutionize your desktop setup, give the HiDock H1 a try. For next week, diving into an exciting piece of technology that's going to revolutionize your riding experience. The Wayuu Cyberbike. Performance-wise, this bike is a beast. It can achieve a top speed of 55 miles per hour and cover an ultra-long range of up to 200 miles. And let's not forget the customizable neon lights. These aren't just for show, they're practical too. The motor options range from 250W to a whopping 5,000W. For those who want to maximize their riding experience, the Wayuu Cyber offers additional features like GPS tracking, radar, and a camera. These tools help you stay aware of your surroundings and improve safety. Let's talk about its standout design. The Wayuu Cyber features a hexagon aluminum body that's not only lightweight, but also incredibly durable. This unique design gives the bike an electric motorcycle vibe, making it a head-turner on both dirt trails and city streets. You can even connect your smartphone via Bluetooth for added functionality. Need to charge your phone on the go? With the battery boost switch, you can easily activate the second or third battery pack with just a touch of a button, allowing for continuous cruising. The Wayuu Cyber has already reached its campaign goal and is now available for fans to acquire. If you're looking for a bike that combines futuristic design with high performance and practical features, the Wayuu Cyber is the perfect choice.